Chandama, and this is my project for the Machine Learning Foundations, uh, Machine Learning Project Management Foundation. So I am going to build a glycemic predictor in in this project. It will be based on the base for the support system for diabetic nutrition. Okay, so the problem is that diabetic patients must, constantly guess how many types of different ingredients, activities, and portions shall will affect their blood sugar level. It is very difficult to control. It causes a lot of problem for them. And how can they solve it? They go on the internet, and internet have some unproven sources which are not authentic, and this can lead to a lot of devastation. Now, machine learning is a key field because of three tertiary things: complex patterns, high value use case, and rich IoT telemetry. And we all know that machine learning is far flung and proven. So let's dive into the CRISP-DM framework of this project. There are two definitions for defining the project success in our in this module. This is the outcome metrics, which is reciprocated to health, and the other outcome metric is model health and model. So the baseline is that we should be able to increase the time in range, which is a biological element regarding the glycemic ratio. Model, like the metric regarding the model, is the performance will be based on the mean absolute error. Following are the key factors. This the data required, and physiological, nutritional, and behavioral data will require. And there are different specific features that are included in different acquisition methods. Okay, now how will it work? This will be an 24/7 glucose monitor that will be have an automated prediction pipeline, and the first 15 day will be a passive calibration period. And after we'll have deep learning regressors, and that will are going to anticipate the glycemic trajectory. Uh, when meals are cured, the patient receives instant safety and medication instructions. Now, this is a validation plan that I'm aiming for. There will be backtesting, there will be focus group, there will be beta pilot and deployment. So, in focus group, we are going to examine the usability of user interface mockups. In the beta pilot, we'll conduct a live 2 week trial, uh, and then deployment, of course. So the system architectures, the elements of system architecture include cloud processing, offline batch training, and real-time inference. So these are taken from the module 4 of the course that we have studied. And the liabilities, and as it is related to the medical field and on a patient's health, there are a lot of liabilities. So if there is any kind of pure recommendation for significant health risk can be attributed to it. Severe glycemic shock can also form as a result, which has a low number of chances, but it can be a thing. So hard coding the biological guidelines is very important in this. And other operational risks are data drift and concept. So drastic change in consumer behavior so will lead to the data drift, will lead to some obnoxious patterns in data and the concept drift. And as we know that our consumers natural biology will change with age, with the respect of age, so it will be another way of drifting of data. Thank you for your attention.